Hi everyone, in this video, we will tackle about the typology of violence. Violence does not only refer to the physical harm inflicted by a perpetrator to a victim. It's not as simple as that. Violence has different categories and types based on various criteria. So if you want to know, just keep on watching. The first type of violence is the direct violence. So this is the most apparent and tangible form of violence, making it readily identifiable and subject to legal and social condemnation. Different types of violence may be seen in different levels, such as personal, interpersonal, national, and global level. The next one is the structural violence. This violence is ingrained within social, political, and economic structures that systematically harm individuals or groups by preventing from meeting their basic needs or realizing their potential. The third one is the social cultural violence, or also known as the cultural violence. This describes aspects of a culture that legitimize or justify violence in its direct or structural form. And lastly, ecological violence. Basically, this is harm inflicted on the natural environment that in turn negatively affects human well-being. It is often linked to broader social, economic, and political injustices.